Hello and how are you? Let's see how to program a website or design a website. So there's things like Canva, things like that. But the most popular ones are Figma, then Adobe Photoshop. So Adobe Photoshop requires a lot of things and an Apple laptop. So and mine is Windows XP, so I am unable to use it. So the other option, which is better and suits me, is Figma. So let's see how to use Figma and design on it. So we'll go to figma.com. Yes, we will enter it to open this. Just click on the first thing. We should be directed to a welcome page and then the sign in and login. I already have it like over here. And you can see that I was working on some things. And just click on new design and photo type. So I will click on it and it will open this. So until I was black since we did it like set something in it. So I will just uh, zoom out to be 50 then just create my page. So I will create an empty page. I think this is a good page for the website and just set the background to be FFF. So FFF and little white. Then, for example, I want to add a search bar. So I will make new triangle and put it here. But it looks good, but I think there's another way. So let's delete my page and let's click on here and click on flame. So now I have this flame. Will look at the theme. And this is my home page. So I can just easily go just over here and just call it home page since this is the home page. Then we will add a new rectangle. It would be like this. I think this is a good novel for me. And like I can go get a text and just add it flop it like here and do my text. But actually there's something I the program will prefer something called section. So you can just add a section and this section will be the novel. So this section, detail section one will be on minutes this and just I will okay sorry above the homepage then just rename this to be nav part of it is just the nav one and I so side of it I like to add like a text or something inside the nav one just say like the website name for example dash holder. So the font is very small, so I will make it not regular but extra bold. Okay, but but I also have to go here and like choose this 24. I think this is good for my design and just let it pass through here. Then I will add another lips. This lips will be sorry, not an ellipse. Uh, uh, rectangle, another rectangle, and this should be a rectangle. It should be in the middle, just in the middle like this. Then, and this will be just like the now search bar. So I will just add here like a text on the type search. Then I will just transfer the color to be yellow, which will be this black. I don't think it's good, so let's make a medium. I think this is good at least for my design. Then I think this will be my novel, for example. Then and this will be just like this. Then this part will have the image. So when we like have it, we will call it the image. But actually, Figma now supports the image. So when we go to my YouTube channel and take the photo that I would want to display at banner. So this I want to display this banner, but I guess it doesn't save it, so I will just have to take another. So this is the manner I want to take. So I will just inspect it. Then the this is the panel. So I can't really find well is really my like my what it's called like the image, but I will just use it somehow. So let's just not take it, but this is the banner place, okay? Then under color, yeah, and I have to take the image out and place it in the homepage. So click it. Then I want under it just this cute little triangle. I mean rectangle. The other image called called for example YouTube and like I can place it like here. Then it enabled the copy and paste. I think so. So I will have to take this and copy this. So just click here. Then you can see the copy No. So there's nothing you can do, but you can like copy it at the details and just apply it. So I want to be the same. So little, and this is one of the good things about Figma. So I think this good. Then move it, move it, move it, move it, move here, and just change this to be contact, for example, and the rest of the page. And this is how you make it. Then you just easily go to play, and here you can see your design. So it is loading, and this is it. This is the website that we actually built, and it is actually not bad. And this is how you can design Figma. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button for more of the same. And if you have any questions about anything in Figma or anything else in the programming, just send me a message on the email that is placed on the channel info. Thank you very much.